the Vice Minister for Oceans and Fisheries, Honorable Kim Young-soo, the Acting Commander, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Pulavanaka to you all and a very good morning to you all. Excellencies, I'm indeed delighted to be here this morning to receive the Republic of Fiji Navy's latest addition to its fleet of operational ships, the RFNS Volasinga, the government of the Republic of Korea. Excellency Mr. Kim Young-soo, on behalf of the Fijian government, please allow me to acknowledge with gratitude the support of your government and people for this kind gesture in providing a hydrographic vessel to the Fiji Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, as a maritime nation, we rely immensely on our oceans not only for our people, for our daily livelihood, but as a means of security and prosperity for our people. Our oceans provide for 90% of global trade. It is without doubt that our sea lanes of communication must be secured and safe in order to ensure a prosperous economy. The safety and security of our people, our friends, and our visitors is paramount to the ministry, and ensuring the safety of our navigation in our waters is key part of Fiji's international maritime obligation under Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS Convention, and our responsibility as a member of the International Maritime Organization and the International Hydrographic Commission. I believe that it is quite reassuring and pleasing to note that the Korean Ministry of Oceans and Fisheries shares the same value as our government, that people's life at sea is important. Ladies and gentlemen, I understand that this vessel is fitted with state-of-the-art survey equipment such as side-scan sonars, multi-beam echo sounder, and an observation room to process data that could enhance survey capabilities. This will further boost the Fiji Navy's capability in producing updated data for nautical charts for the safety of all mariners traversing our waters in supporting Fiji's blue economy. Hydrographic survey is critical for ocean governance, such as safety of navigation, protection of the marine environment, national infrastructure development, coastal zone management, marine exploration, maritime boundary delimitation, maritime defense, and security and maritime trade. Fiji is a maritime nation that is surrounded by a vast Pacific Ocean, where more than 80% of its trade and commerce is transported through its sea lanes of communication. However, majority of our nautical charts that are in existence are outdated, which requires a resurvey. The urgent requirement for resurvey and new surveys are priority initiatives for government given the effects of climate change on sea level rise, coastal inundation of our coast and waterways, and the potential for increased associated economic benefits. Ladies and gentlemen, the priority of this Fijian government is to ensure that Fiji is progressing into a modernized state, and a donation of this magnitude is a direct reflection of our intent. The state-of-the-art hydrographic vessel, RFNS Volasinga, ensures that Fiji's capability in defense and security is enhanced to a modern state where updated and current data will be made available. This capability enhancement and the hydrographic data that it can produce will most certainly provide assurances and support to the private sector, intended investors in our maritime sector, and the sustainable development of our coastal and island communities. The Republic of Fiji's Navy's hydrographic capabilities are indeed progressing on a positive trajectory. In August of this year, a hydrographic survey was conducted over a 3-week period of northern tip of the Yasawa Island group. The survey now ensures the return of cruise ships to the remote region of the Yasawas, thus promoting an active and prosperous blue economy. Ladies and gentlemen, we acknowledge the continuous support from the Republic of Korea in terms of its strategic commitment in assisting small island states such as Fiji. As development partners, we are thankful that assistance such as this will further elevate our influence in the region as a hub for connectivity maritime transportation, trade, and a bastion of peace, security, and stability. The RFNS Wolasinga is a donation, part of the official development assistance project between Fiji and Korea under memorandum of understanding between the Fiji Hydrographic Office and Korean Hydrographic and Oceanography Agency. The MOU that was signed in 2017 has provided Fiji with tremendous assistance through the procurement of a printer for charts, multi-beam echo sounder of small sounding boats, and training opportunities for RFN personnel in Korea. Additionally, under this MOU, the Korean Hydrographic and Oceanography and the Fiji Hydrographic Office has conducted joint surveys in Malolo, Robandrao Bay, Dravuni, and our engagements will only grow from year to year. The handing over ceremony today of RFNS Wolasinga not only marks another milestone for Fiji's hydrographic capability, but it also signifies the strong friendship that Fiji and Korea share, particularly under the Official Development Assistance MOU. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I believe that the vessel's name itself, RFNS Wolasinga, is worth mentioning. Wolasinga refers to the morning star visible during twilight hours of early morning. So it may be referred to as a star. In actual fact, it is planet Venus. The uniqueness of the star is that traditionally this was a guiding star for seafarers to guide them on the safe journey home. Similarly, the RFNS Wolasinga is a hydrographic vessel that has the capability to facilitate in producing nautical charts that ultimately guide seafarers on the journey leaving or returning home. It is therefore only fitting that the vessel be named RFNS Wolasinga. Ladies and gentlemen, in concluding, I would like to reiterate my gratitude and appreciation to the Government of the Republic of Korea, the Korean Ambassador to Fiji, Your Excellency, and your staff. I also wish to acknowledge the efforts exerted by the technical team of both the Republic of Korea and Fiji in the initial discussion and the realization of the MOU in 2017 for the planning and preparation which has materialized to this auspicious occasion today. On that note, it is with great pleasure that I officially receive the RFNS Wolasinga on behalf of the Fijian government. Vinaka Vakalevu, thank you.